This week, we will cover Black Friday's record, Meta's potential Google chip deal, Anthropic's new model, and Microsoft integrations, Europe's age rules push, Google's capacity warning, and a quick space tech update. Let's start with what touched the most wallets. U.S. shoppers spent an all-time high $11.8 billion online on Black Friday. Adobe points to strong use of AI shopping helpers that surface deals and nudge carts. Media and payments trackers show e-commerce growing faster than in-store. If you felt your feeds and assistants pointing you to discounts, you were part of the trend. Practical takeaway: AI shopping features reduce search time, but still verify prices and return policies before you check out. OpenAI shipped a shopping research mode in ChatGPT on November 24th. It builds buyer guides from current web data and is available to free and paid users during the season. Try it for structured categories like TVs or headphones, but double-check stock and delivery windows. Reuters reports Meta is negotiating a multi-year deal to use Google's Tensor processing units starting in 2027, with the option to rent TPUs via Google Cloud earlier. If closed, this would diversify Meta away from pure Nvidia dependence and signal that Google's chips are ready for external customers at scale. Practical takeaway for teams: multi-vendor planning is now a core skill. Keep your stack portable across CUDA, TPU, and emerging alternatives. Anthropic launched Claude Opus 4.5, framed as its best model for coding, agents, and computer use. Microsoft put Opus 4.5 into public preview in Foundry and made it selectable in GitHub Copilot plans. For developers, this widens model choice inside Microsoft's ecosystem and keeps model parity pressure on rivals. Practical takeaway: test on your real tasks, not just benchmarks. Swap models inside the same workflow and compare error rates, latency, and cost. MEPS passed a non-binding resolution calling for an EU-wide default minimum age of 16 to access social media, video platforms, and AI chatbots, with parental consent from 13 to 15. It also urges bans on addictive design features for minors. This is not law yet, but it signals direction before detailed proposals. Practical takeaway: any product with teen users should prepare age assurance, safer defaults, and audit trails now to avoid rushed retrofits. Google says capacity must double every 6 months. In an internal briefing reported by multiple outlets, Google's AI infrastructure leaders told staff the company needs to double AI serving capacity every 6 months and target a 1,000-fold scale-up within 4 to 5 years. Translation: demand for inference is outpacing hardware, energy, and supply chains. Practical takeaway: design services to be model and region flexible, and track energy and latency budgets as first-class constraints. SpaceX Transporter 15 expands smallsat capacity. SpaceX launched the Transporter 15 rideshare mission on November 28th from Vandenberg, carrying more than 100 satellites. The cadence matters for Earth observation, IoT, and future direct-to-device services. Practical takeaway: expect more frequent refresh cycles for space data products and more competition on downlink pricing. Your quick hits this week wrapped. AI-shaped holiday shopping, the chip race added a new axis. Europe flexed on child safety online, and the big platforms are scaling for heavier AI loads. If this saved you time, subscribe so you get next Sunday's roundup right when it drops. See you then.